What is going on, guys? This is going to be a pretty quick video here. We are going to replace, try to focus up for it. We're going to replace these mirrors. There's a lot of brown on them on the outside here. It just looks like crap. So I got some ones on eBay. They were about $22. I don't think they're OEM replacements because these ones, there's actually a clip on the actual mirror structure, which I will show you. All right, so apparently there's a clip like right here, and I have to turn my light on to be able to show you this. All right, so I did get the lens off. So the OEM ones are heated. I didn't opt for those. Those are about 40 or 50 bucks a piece. But that's an option, just so you guys know. So the tab that I was able to get my screwdriver in, pop this back on to show you here. I was watching Mods Forever video, so I don't know if you can see that, but basically, I'm sure I'll hold this without dropping the glass and getting it everywhere. So what you want to do is you want to get your screwdriver in between here and push forward like that, and the lens will come right off. All right, so the ones that I got, they do not have the clips like the OEM ones. They come with this 3M tape. So what we're going to need to do, we're going to need to wipe off this piece, and I'm going to apply 3M tape to that. I'm going to wipe this off with some isopropyl alcohol. I'm also going to wipe the back of the mirrors off as well, so we get good adhesion. And I will cut to the beauties of the 3M tape job. All right, so I cut the 3M tape into like 3 pieces here and tried to apply it where there wasn't holes. So that's why this weird arrangement here. So the next step is to remove the other side of it. This is 3M double-sided tape, and we'll position our new mirror on. Okay, so you kind of only have one shot at this, so you're going to want to I'm going to put the camera down here and get 2 hands on it, so I don't mess it up here. So I was able to get it pretty good, actually. So I'm going to apply pressure for about 30 seconds or so. All right, so there's the finished product, guys. Repeat for the other side if you need to do that as well. Or you can just, well, if these fall off my car, I will let you know in a later video. I think they'll be fine. 3M tape is pretty good. So, if you like this video, share it, and like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.